We're gonna start going to Apple Valley Speedway. This is my friend's 350Z. He has a VQ, he has RPF 1s, and my little slow ass hatchback Civic. Oh, it's a little dusty even though I cleaned it, but yeah, cleaned it the other day. But yeah, trying to put 91 on it. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So we have to take care of our tires for the track. They should repave this, but what do you expect? You know, it's in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, like his car's lower than mine, and yeah, I'm trying to save my tires, and I have brand new tires. I don't want it to pop when we're in the track. So all right, we're here at the racetrack, and we were having trouble taking the dirt road, so because that's where the directions took us. So I was on the phone with my other friend. He's already here. There's a paved road going all the way to this place, and this is our mistake. So next time when we go, we should take the paved road. But it's our first time, so what do you expect? But yeah, this is gonna be a good day. Hopefully he has to go sideways all the time. My car's not super lowered, but I mean it's low enough to go on the dirt road, but I'm so afraid of my tires staying on like second gear the whole time. Thank God we made it safely. Yes. Woo! Oh man, thank you Lord. So right now we're checking in. Here we go. Alright. I'll go right here. That's cool. Don't scream. Alright. Ready?
See what happens.
I'm getting scared. I'm getting nervous. I have my GoPro here. This is old as shit.
feel how slow this shit is.
Super dope. Well, there's just left because if we go after 5 we're gonna get charged $100, so we just left, and me and my friend Joe in the back with this 350Z, we're gonna go out to eat because there's traffic coming on the way from Vegas. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.